There has been no drop-off of patients who come to the Mission of Mercy mobile clinic when it comes to the city of Frederick, Maryland, near Washington, D.C.
I need you to write last name first.
Mission of Mercy is a volunteer medical service provider funded by private donations. The group travels throughout the region and treats anyone in need. Dr. Michael Sullivan says they serve the poor that Obamacare is not reaching.
For areas that do not have some entity, some organization that are doing what we're doing, trying to pick up all of these people that are falling through numerous cracks, I don't know what they do other than end up in an emergency room for a quick fix.
The goal of the Affordable Care Act is to make health care coverage less expensive and more accessible. For the poor, it provides either free government coverage under a program called Medicaid or income-based subsidies to purchase private health insurance. But for many of the patients that Mission of Mercy sees, insurance through the Affordable Care Act is just not affordable.
Do you want to come closer to me?
Stevette Bryant lost her job and insurance, but since her husband receives government disability benefits, she does not qualify for Medicaid. The cheapest insurance she could get would cost $300 a month, which she cannot afford.
I've had insurance all my life. I've worked good jobs, and I've just have had some not so good luck here recently, and I have to humble myself to come here. And it's because I don't have money.
Okay, and that doesn't bother.
Dr. Sullivan says even with insurance, a hospital emergency room visit to treat Bryant's back pain would likely cost close to $1,000.
They get a x-ray that they probably don't need, and they probably get told that we don't inject things in the ER, go see this orthopedic doctor. But then when they go to try to see the orthopedic doctor, they can't get in unless they pay some cash up front.
Other patients here are undocumented immigrants who don't qualify for any government help. Bianca Aliman from El Salvador is a legal resident, but she missed the sign-up deadline for Obamacare because she says the process seems too intimidating.
Because I didn't have too much information, so that's why I didn't apply. But now I came here, they gave me more information about, so I'm gonna try to apply again, for next year,
Mission of Mercy officials say they are expanding services to treat the millions of people who still cannot afford the high cost of health care in America. Brian Padden, VOA News, Frederick, Maryland.